I got this fidget spinner.
What are you saying? We haven't gotten to metaphors in the English class yet.
Yeah, wow. Just wow. See that?
Look, Andy, you shouldn't be worried about a sorority.
Just doing a whole bunch around the world.
And you shouldn't worry about me. You need to focus on school.
Don't listen to that. Chip
Don't take
TV.
it for granted. Not everybody gets to go to college, no matter how much money your family has for their education. You gotta go to best place to slots.
Hey, you turned out great.
I know.
Crap.
And I love working outdoor with my best friend, Mr. Baxter.
Flying saucer.
But you're destined for bigger things.
Yeah.
Flying saucer.
Okay, and I will do anything to help you do well in school. Even if that means you need to take a break from group of
Yeah. It's gonna.
Bill? You in private? Sir. Sure, Troy. Come on in. Take a seat in the couch or if you prefer an imaginary chair. Well, thank you. This is a little awkward here. I'm here on behalf of the loaning dock to talk to management about salary and working conditions. Is your company, as you're standing there demanding more money from yourself?
Okay, it didn't break. My friend said that this would work. First, I got to caps off. I said my friend said to put pencils or for this and if you do that one way, you can get it.
I feel such a bond with these guys. They were chanting my name. Troy. I gotta stop you there. This is not. You're right. I think Troy Fontaine has gotten away from me. Yeah. I guess the best plan is to fire me.
Okay, no.
Want me to do it, or do you have a mirror handy?
Look, I just stuck a pencil through it. Oh, crap.
As much as I hate to do this, you're fired. This blow is really going to be a test of Troy's sobriety. All right, Nick. Look, this has been a good break. Get away from the stress of being the boss. I can lose myself in the romance of unloading boxes, which wears thin surprisingly quickly. All right, I guess I'll give the guys a raise and get some help on the dock. Got a little help up here. No, I have to handle this all myself. No. I mean, up here. You're not well. Don't worry about me. Right? Ed will be back tomorrow. Correct. Right? And we'll forget this event. Right? Good. I'll see you in hell, fat cat. Allergy sufferers. This is new Zyzol, the wide new choice for allergy relief. If symptoms like these keep you from a good night's sleep and ruin your next day, try new Zyzol.
See this
It relieves
pencil.
symptoms while you sleep and keeps relieving all day. Because it is effective at hour 24
Wow.
and it is at hour 1. It's original
That's
prescription strength
beautiful.
with no prescription needed. So, for continuous allergy relief, be wise on. Take new Zyzol.
Pressure? I feel it every day. But at night, it's the last thing on my mind. For 10 years, my Tempur-Pedic has adapted to my weight and shape, relieving pressure points from head to toe. So I sleep deeply and wake up ready to perform.
Like this video if you want. And subscribe. Write a comment what you want me to do for next video. Yeah, whatever I said. Bye. Hope you get a fidget spinner so you can make your own video.